You've probably heard this your whole life. Save your money. Be careful how you spend. Put something aside for the future. And honestly, that's not bad advice. Saving money is important. It shows discipline. It shows responsibility. It shows that you're thinking ahead. But here's the part nobody really explains. If saving money is the only thing you're doing, you might stay broke for a very long time. Now, that sounds strange, right? Because saving is supposed to help you move forward. But let's slow down and really look at it. Imagine two people. They both earn the same amount of money. They both are serious about their future. The first person saves consistently. Every month he puts money aside. He avoids unnecessary spending. He feels like he's doing everything right. And to be honest, he is. The second person also saves, but he does something slightly different. He doesn't just keep all the money sitting. He takes a portion of it and looks for ways to grow it, slowly, carefully, consistently. Now fast forward a few years. The first person has savings. That's good. But the second person, he has savings and something else. He has growth. And that's where the difference begins. Saving money is like storing water in a container. It keeps it safe, but it doesn't increase it. It just stays there. Now think about this. If you leave your money in a normal account for years, what really happens? On the surface, it looks like nothing, but in reality, something is happening. Prices are rising. Food is more expensive. Transport is more expensive. Rent is more expensive. Life is getting more expensive. So even though your money is still there, it is not as powerful as it used to be. That means you didn't lose your money physically, but you lost value. And this is where many people get stuck without realizing it. They believe they're moving forward, but they are actually standing still. Let me say that again. Standing still financially feels like progress when you're saving, because you see the number growing, but you don't see what that number can actually do. Now again, don't misunderstand this. Saving money is not the problem. In fact, it's necessary. You need savings for unexpected situations, peace of mind, basic stability. But saving alone is not enough to build a better future. It's just the foundation. The real shift happens when you move from just saving money to making your money grow. Because money has two roles. It can either sit or it can work. And if your money is always sitting, then you will always be the one working. That's the cycle many people are in. They work for money, but their money does nothing for them. So every time they need more, they have to work more. That's exhausting, and over time it becomes limiting. Now here's something important. Growing money doesn't mean doing something extreme. It doesn't mean taking crazy risks. It doesn't mean trying to get rich overnight. It simply means this: using your money in a way that allows it to increase over time. It could be learning a skill that brings extra income, starting something small on the side, putting money into something that grows gradually. Nothing flashy, nothing complicated, just intentional. And here's the truth many people don't like to hear. The biggest reason people stay only at saving is not lack of knowledge, it's comfort. Saving feels safe. You can see your money, you can control it, there is no fear. But growth feels uncertain. You don't fully control it. You have to learn, you have to be patient, and because of that, many people stay where it feels safe. But safe does not always mean progress. Let's go back to the two people. One stayed in the safe zone, the other stepped out, slowly, carefully, but consistently. At first, there was no big difference. Everything looked the same. But over time, something started to change. The one who focused only on saving remained dependent on his effort. The one who focused on growing started building something beyond his effort. And that's where real change happens. Not in one big moment, but in small decisions repeated over time. So if you're someone who saves money, you're already doing something right. But don't stop there. Ask yourself this question: is my money just sitting, or is it doing something? If it's just sitting, then it's time to start thinking differently. You don't need a lot to begin. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to have everything figured out. You just need to start. Because in the end, it's not about how much money you keep,